Hey drivers, this is Barry with Christenson Transportation, and I wanted to spend a few moments showing you some issues we've been having with people not draining their air systems. It's building up too much condensation in the system, affecting our disc brakes, affecting our air on the front of the truck, and keeping water in your fuel. So I'm going to show you a couple quick tips on how to prevent that. The easiest one for your air tanks and the air system is just to grab the two lines that are located under the driver's door on these Peterbilts, pull the line. You can hold on to them, and you'll see the other day I found about 2 gallons of water that came out of the tanks, and this during the summer that condensation is going to build up pretty quick. So every time you fuel, just drain your tank, spend about 10 seconds, pull those cables. That also gets up into this system up in here that runs your brakes and everything else. You'll lose these sensors because they get too much water in there and they get corroded. So another place that the air builds up, that's solved by pulling those lines. And the last thing is on how to drain your fuel, your water out of your fuel. At the bottom of this fuel filter is a knob, and all you do is turn it counterclockwise. The fuel sits on top of the water, so once you turn it, it's going to drain the water instead of the fuel. You'll just see it coming out of the bottom of this filter right there. So just a few seconds of drain, about once a week, will help keep that water out of your fuel system. So just a few tips to keep you running and prevent further damage and bigger damage. So.